A wave of ice surges through Neon City, and something colossal awakens in the cold. From frozen earth and shattered crystal, the Frostcore Colossus rises. The Colossus shifts a crystalline limb, ice cracking through the air, but Cat Commando shatters the freeze. Blizzards spiral upward, freezing the sky itself, but Cat Commando rises through the storm. The frozen heart ignites, a core of ancient winter, but the cosmic bat cracks the cold. The blizzard fades, and Neon City warms once more. Stay sharp, soldiers, and always fear the bat.